Welcome. In front of me I have AMAZFIT T-Rex 3 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First we need to open the Zepp application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. In the application you can tap on device, and here you should see your T-Rex 3 Pro on the device page. Now scroll through this page and look for the option called Unpair, and then tap on it. Here we can select the data to retain. So basically, if you, for example, choose the local music, it will keep the local music even though the watch will reset to the factory default settings, because if you unpair the watch, it will reset itself. So you can choose some data to retain if you don't want to lose it. This is quite useful if, for example, you want to just pair it with another device and you don't want to lose your data, for example. Then tap on Unpair. OK. Unpair. If you see this pop-up, tap on OK. Close this up. Open settings on your iPhone. Tap on Bluetooth, find the T-Rex 3 Pro on the list of my devices, tap on info icon next to it, and tap on forget this device, and tap on forget. And once it disappears from here, you can close the settings as well, and that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.